All right, YouTube peeps, we are on 3-4. We're looking at Tuesday. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Okay, let's do the word problem here. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Today's Tuesday. That's not going to work. Okay, let's look at Mondays, YouTube. We're on Q3-4 Monday. Okay, this just looks like a subtraction problem. How many are left? Remember our trick. If it's 199, just make that 879 minus 200. You can almost do that in your head. 679, right? But then you subtracted one more than you need to, so it's only 678. Right? So you should be able to kind of do some of those in your head using our tricks. Look at this awkward, irregular shape. How do we fix that? By turning it into two regular shapes. Okay, now we have two rectangles. We have a 9 by 1. You multiply the two sides. Base times height is the formula. Now on this other one, it gets kind of tricky, right? Because you have an 8 and a 7 that you could be looking at. The trick is to recognize that the 8 is this whole side, and we just want this piece. We just want this line. So if we look to the other side, that tells us that it's 7. You can also go like this. The whole side is 8. You know this little bit is 1, so then you would just do 8 minus 1. You know that little piece is 7, all right? 7 times 2, 14. Now you found the area of both of the regular shapes. Got to add them up using standard algorithm. 9 plus 4, 13. Carry the 1. Final answer, 23 centimeters squared, technically. All right. Draw a parallelogram. Looking at the definition of a parallelogram, we got 4 sides, opposite sides parallel, and equal length. Okay. So a square actually meets that criteria too. Does it have opposite sides parallel? Yes. Are they of equal length? Yes. But a rectangle also meets the parallelogram requirement, right? Because this line, are the opposite ends parallel? Yes, those are parallel. And these are parallel. Are all 4 sides equal? No, but you don't need all 4 sides equal for it to be a parallelogram. Just opposite sides need to be parallel. So these sides and then these sides. Okay. Now, a rhombus could also be a parallelogram. Same reason. This side and this side are parallel. This side and that side are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel. Trapezoid's not going to work. Trapezoid's not going to work because you only have one pair of parallel lines. So that's not going to work. I think that is it. You should have one of those 3 shapes. Okay, draw a model for the fraction 1/6. Did that, perfect. It's an even number, so you can cut it in half. And then you just need 3 on each side. All right, perfect. All right, a pack of hot dogs contains 8 hot dogs. If Chris eats 3 hot dogs from the pack, what fraction of the hot dogs did he eat? Okay, so we start at the beginning of the pack of hot dogs. You eat 1 hot dog, you're eating 1 out of 8. Eat another hot dog, 2 out of 8. 3 hot dogs, we're eating 3 out of 8 hot dogs. 3/8. Use the number line to help you solve the problem. Okay. I think that is it for math. Hopefully that helped you with Monday's homework, Q3-4.